All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. Now. 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 At this very moment. Yeah. Now I know the answer. Now I know what to do. Now they should do it. Yeah. Do you think they will go there now? Maybe. Yeah. They think they can come here now. They think they can come here now. Really? Because I don't think it'll work now. Yeah. But how will they do it now? Now? I don't know. Yeah. I wanted to be here by now. Yeah. I wanted to be there by now. Yes. I wanted to be there by now. Yeah. But now I have to change my plans. Things have to change now. I'm not sure, but it has to change. But now we have some spare time. Yes. Because of what happened, we now have some spare time. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, very good. Now would be a good time to sleep. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She will come with me now to the meeting. They will go now to the shop or shops. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so now. So if you look now, the sparks will be there. Look now. Yeah. So, can you use now in a sentence, language explorers? And can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.